Hey guys! Are you want to buy best 4K dash cameras? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best 4K dash cameras that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at P1 Duo 4K dash cam front and rear. If you're looking for a high-quality dash cam that offers both front and rear coverage, the P1 Duo 4K dash cam is an excellent choice. This dual dash cam features a front camera that captures stunning 4K resolution, while the rear camera records in 1080p. With a wide field of view, 170 degrees for the front and 150 degrees for the rear, you won't miss any important details. It also includes user-friendly features like Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time previews and voice control for hands-free operation. The night vision capability guarantees clarity in low light conditions, and the 24-hour parking mode keeps your vehicle monitored even when you're away. With a 64GB SD card included, you can start recording right away. Best for drivers seeking a reliable and high-resolution dash cam that provides comprehensive front and rear coverage for enhanced safety and security. Now our second product is Red Tiger Front Rear Dash Camera. The Red Tiger Dash Cam Front Rear, featuring stunning 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, is perfect for drivers seeking high-quality video evidence on the road. With a 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle view, you'll capture more of your surroundings. Its night vision capabilities, thanks to the f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR technology, guarantee clear recordings even in low light. Plus, built-in GPS tracks your route, speed, and location for added security. The user-friendly interface and mobile app connectivity allow for easy video playback and sharing. You'll appreciate the included 32GB card, expandable up to 256GB, and features like loop recording and G-sensor for incident detection. Overall, it's a reliable choice for documenting your journeys. Our third product is Rove R2-4K dash cam with Wi-Fi and GPS. Recording stunning 4K Ultra HD videos, the Rove R2-4K dash cam with Wi-Fi and GPS is perfect for drivers who prioritize high-quality footage and advanced features. It boasts built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing you to track your location and speed while viewing routes on Google Maps. Thanks to Super Night Vision technology, you'll capture clear videos even in low light. Setup is a breeze, taking about 10 minutes, and the camera comes with voice guidance for easy operation. With a 150 degrees wide angle and a robust build, it performs excellently in various conditions. Plus, you'll appreciate the responsive customer support and a 1-year warranty that guarantees peace of mind with your purchase. Now number 4, Rove R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. For drivers seeking high-quality video clarity, the Rove R2-4K Pro Dash Cam stands out with its stunning 4K UHD recording capabilities at 2160p at 30 fps. With features like a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, built-in GPS, and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, you'll capture every detail on the road. The night vision and WDR guarantee excellent footage, even in low light. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly interface and effective suction cup mount. Plus, you can monitor and access your videos through the app on your smartphone. At just $85, it offers exceptional value with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, making it a reliable choice for any driver looking to enhance their driving experience. And our last choice is Vantru N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam. If you're someone who values thorough coverage while driving, the Vantru N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam is an excellent choice. It features a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, delivering stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the interior and rear. With its 4K HDR technology, you'll enjoy clear night shots with reduced blurring. The dash cam also includes a rotatable rear camera that can monitor your belongings. Plus, with built-in GPS, you can easily track routes and embed speed stamps in your footage. The smart voice control and 5 GHz Wi-Fi enhance convenience, allowing easy access to videos. Its durable design and 24/7 parking modes guarantee your vehicle is protected around the clock. Those seeking comprehensive vehicle coverage with high-resolution recording and advanced safety features. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.